Hello students, welcome to revision class of ELGA 4. बच्चों ये क्लास ELGA 4 के रिवीजन के लिए है। अगर आपका ELGA लेवल कोई और है तो आप दूसरी वीडियो को देखिए और आपका ELGA लेवल आपकी ELGA बुक्स के ऊपर मेंशन है। So in this video we will revise all 4 days which you have understood in your ELGA online classes. So let's get started. So let's start with the phonics section. So today in phonics section we will revise about blends. Blending means joining the letter sounds. So in your online classes in unit 3 you have learnt about many different blends and we will take a revision of them. So the first blending sound is sl. So with the sl blending sound we can make different words. Here first word we will read with joining the letter sounds. So first of all we will identify the beginning sound, the middle sound and the ending sound. So here the beginning sound is sl and the middle sound is e and the ending sound is m. So let us join the letter sounds with the shoulder to hand strategy. Beginning sound is sl, middle sound is e and ending sound is m. So we will join and read them a little faster. Sl, e, sl, e, slim. So in this way we will read all other sounds and we will read the words. So next word is sleep. Repeat after me, sleep. Next word is slow. Next is slant. Now we will read the words with stir blend. The first word is star. Second word is stamp. Third word is stem. Next is stop. The next blend is spur blend. The words we can read with this blend are spider, spoon, spin, spinach. Next blend is snare blend. Words in this blend we can read like snack, snail, snip, snug. Next is screw blend. Scarf, scan, screw, scale. Next is swirl blend. Sweep, swim, swing, sweet. Next is curve blend. Skate, skirt, skin, skip. Small blend. Smell, small, smug, smoke. So using the blending we join the letters and read the words. So I want all of you to read these words carefully from your SR and practice. Now let's move to the whole word section. So whole words. In last revision, many students have problem in identifying the whole words. Whole words are the words which we read as it is. So we do not use letter sounds to read the whole words. We read them as it is. So whole words you need to learn and keep it in your mind that we will not use letter sounds to read the whole words. We read them as it is. So let's see which words we have to learn in this unit. First word is now. Repeat after me, now. Second word is no. Repeat after me, no. Third word is asks. Repeat after me, asks. Next word is read. Repeat after me, read. Next is works. Repeat after me, works. Next is keeps. Repeat after me, keeps. Next is met. Repeat after me, met. Next is safe. Repeat after me, safe. Next is after. Repeat after me, after. So after the forward section, let's move to our reading and listening comprehension section. In this section, we will read a story, Who Guards the Guard? So let's read the story first to know what is in this story. So here I want all of you to open your SR 17. I will count till 5. So open your SRs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So first of all we will read the story and then we will move ahead. So this story is written by Sakshi Bhatia and illustrated by Manish Shah. So on first page we can see Danu is from Nepal. He works as a watchman in my building. On second page we can see he is awake all night. He keeps a watch on everyone. The third page says all the thieves are scared of him. On the fourth page, let's see, I met him one day. I asked him, why did you become a guard? He said, Nepali people serve the country. Some of them are policemen, some of them are soldiers, and some of them are guards. So next page says, we love keeping people safe. You are very brave and helpful. I said, I thanked him for keeping us safe. I was thinking of Danu after going home. If Danu guards us, who guards him? So, and one more point is there in the story, that did you know Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, is in Nepal. To see Mount Everest, you first need to go to Kathmandu. From there you take an aeroplane to Lulka. So here in this chapter we read about the guards. So after reading a chapter we think about the story, that what does the story tells about. So the story is about people of Nepal who are brave. How can I say this, that people of Nepal are brave? So here in the story we read many points on this. So first point was Danu is from Nepal and works as a watchman. He is awake all night. Who is awake all night? Maybe a brave man, na? So from this we can conclude. Second point is some Nepali people are policemen and some of them are soldiers. Here are and will come. Okay, so them are soldiers. They love keeping people safe. Vocabulary words. Now from this we have concluded that the main idea of the story, or the story mostly tells about the people of the Nepal are brave. So in the story we read many words. Out of them we read some words and look out for their meanings. So in the story we read the word scared. So scared means, like in the story we read, thieves are scared of him. So scared means to be afraid. From somebody is afraid, that means some are scared. So next word is brave. Who are brave? Who are not afraid of anyone are called brave. Who are not afraid of anyone or anything are called brave. So scared means to be afraid and brave means not afraid. So in this, after this we will end our reading and listening comprehension section, and let's move to our grammar section. Okay, so in grammar section we will revise articles. Earlier also we have revised articles, so let's revise them one more time. So A, E, I, O, U, these are 5 vowels. The other all letters are called consonants. The letters like B, C, D and all these letters are called consonants. We use an with before the nouns that begin with the vowel sound. For example, we use an apple because A has a sound. So we use an apple, an orange, an egg, etc. A is used before nouns that begin with the consonant sound, like a bat, a girl, a house, etc. The is used to show a particular person, place or thing. We use the for showing the particular thing or place or person. For example, the sun shines brightly. So here we are speaking about the sun. The sun is only one, so we use the with the sun. A sun we will not use. We will use the sun. Next example is Meera bought an apple. The apple is very sweet. We use an before the apple in the first sentence, and in second sentence we used the, because we are talking about the same apple, that particular apple. So that's why we used the. So a and the are called articles. So in this way, I hope you all have understood articles. What are articles? So let's move to our next section, and that is writing and speaking expressions. In this section, we have some pictures and we are sequencing them, like we are making an order of those pictures. Afterwards, we have revised how to frame sentences according to the pictures. After about these pictures, we have written some sentences. Then we started framing a story through those pictures. Okay, and afterwards we start telling the story to others. So we have revised all these sections in our previous revision classes. So I want all of you, the stories in unit 3 you have read, try to narrate them, try to speak them in front of your parents, that how you will tell those stories to your parents. Or you can use any pictures, some pictures, and frame a story on them and tell to your parents. In this way we end to our today's revision class. Stay safe, be careful at home. Bye bye. Thank you.